Okay, good day, and I think this is going to be the final of our learning in this series. Copying, cutting, and pasting. We have seen copying, we have seen cutting, we have seen pasting. But remember, we are looking at some shortcuts through what Power BI, what ChatGPT gave us. Some shortcuts that we can use, right? So, and we have not also seen pasting as when you want to paste whether values, or will you paste the formatting, or are you going to just paste as numbers? We are going to see that, but let's deal with this last shortcut first, then we'll come back to this other one. So we are dealing with this control plus to insert a new column or row, and do control minus to delete selected column or row. So from here, if I actually want to insert the column, I've already selected H. I've selected that column, so I can click control plus now. Control plus. Now it inserts to the left of where I selected. I'm also going to click control minus to remove it. Right now it's clear, and I'm going to click here again. It happens either here, or either it's happening in the row, sorry, in the column. You need to select the column, or it's happening in the row, right? So control plus here to insert a new row above your selection, then control minus removes it. So that's literally clear. Now we are now looking at copying and pasting as either what do you call it, as a number or in different types of formats. So I'm going to refer back to the sheet that we used in this table now, right? So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Now I want to copy this range of numbers, and I'm going to use it to replace some values in the other table. Now I've copied, right? I can come here. Now I right click. There are paste options. I can either paste as what do you call it, like just paste, and when I just paste, it copies both the formatting from where I'm copying from, the originating table, down to, and replaces. It just copies the number, the formatting, and the entire properties of the originating table, and drops it in the destination table. Now if I drop it there, you see the formatting around that area has changed. So because I just did paste, this is the same thing as doing control V, right? But now there are other options. I can decide to right click, and I select just paste as 1 2 3. Now it has pasted all those things. Look at the previous figure. The first one was 50, 87, and 74. Now the replaced figure is 70, 68, and 45. And also all these selections have some changes to it. Now, but now it is pasting as only numbers. It is discarding the originating tables formats and just pasting numbers, thereby accepting the formatting of the destination table. Now I'm undoing again. Let's assume I want to paste again as what again? Formula. Now if there are formulas that I used in getting the values that are being displayed on the cell, right? Now this formula is what is going to be copied instead of the values. So we are going to be looking at this again when we go to some other type of advanced lessons. There's also a way to paste what do you call it, transposed. You transpose, that means the one that was the column becomes the row, and the row becomes the column, right? So you transpose. Okay, for the sake of this lesson, let's go to this particular sheet, and we are going to do it. So this is, let me copy something of this nature, right? So that if I transpose, it's going to be very clear. Now I come here and I paste transposed. Look at what happens. It is 2 by 3. Now it is 3. Here is 3 by 2. Now when it posted, it pasted 2 by 3. What happened? 70, 80, 45, which is this one, the column becoming the row. Sorry, the row here becoming the column here. Now 89, 79, 50, which is the row there, became the column here. So that's what happens when you do transpose, right? That's what happens when you do transposed. Now what if I want to paste just the formatting? no numbers, just copy that formatting and paste. This is how it looks like. Let me go to an existing table so you will understand. I come here, I just paste formatting. It just picks the color within that region and drops it here. So literally, if I select this entire table, and then I paste formatting, it just picks the formatting of the selected area and turns the whole table into what I've selected, right? So that's that. Now, which other form is there? This one is like paste link, or maybe paste as picture. Sometimes you will see that option and the rest of them. So, but these are different forms and variations of pasting that are available. Again, I want you guys to always explore. Always explore. Get out some things that we omitted or we have not thought, and then you will be happy that we did. I think with this we have been able to do justice to all these things. We have talked about pasting as values. That's the one that has paste as 1, 2, 3. That's values. We have talked about pasting as only the formatting. Talked about pasting, copying the cells and everything from the originating tables formats, and then bringing it back to ourselves. So these are what we are going to do for now. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next one.